여러분, 여러분, 여러분,
여러분. Yo, what's up, everybody? Taeyang. Taeyang's finally back with Lisa. We're gonna check out Lisa first. Shoong. I'm guessing that's how they say it. Shoong. It's a performance video featuring Lisa of Blackpink, which is already iconic. So I've been waiting. I mean, it's Taeyang and Lisa, bro. Teasers itself look fire. Shout out to my ultimate bias. What's up? I'm always happy when he produces music or when music comes out with him, especially when he does collabs as well. I love that. I love to see what you could create with another artist, even though it's in the same camp and they probably know each other. It's still dope. I wish more artists within the same camp or in the same company would collab more. Lisa, the queen of Thailand. The son, Taeyang. I mean, without further ado, oh girl, damn, that's crazy. Without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Play my intro. Without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Turn that up. Hold up. Yeah. That's how you start something. You know when shit is iconic when you just start a song like yeah. Dang. Okay, chain. Red hair. That bass. God damn. Alright, you already know what I like. I'm sorry, I've been pausing. You know what? I don't care. It's my ultimate bias. I do what I want. It's my channel. Shut up. Ooh. Ooh, with the boom boom. Ooh. Give me that where you at vibe.
Yeah, 오늘 너는 파란색. 평소보다 조금 차갑게. 우리 요즘 예전 같지 않다고 말해도 웃어 넘겨. That's all I know.
That's all you know. You play like you're a child. We going back to the old school. You the only girl from me? Damn. Damn. Okay. Yo, they went hard. What the fuck? You know what? This is what I expected. And he looked good too. Sparkly ass shirt. Woo. God dang, Taylor. Don't worry, I'm coming soon. Ooh, that's smooth. Ooh, that's smooth. Hey, yo, that shit's smooth actually. Damn, that's like smoother than butter, smoother than oil. Oh, I might actually try this dance because I know how to glide. Hey, yo, Taeyang. You got me. Some of these like dance challenges I can't do. But your boy knows I can glide. Ooh. Wait, what did he say? Oh, faster than Lamborghini.
Coming for you in the fast lane, got me on back.
Let me. Damn, I didn't know that Lisa was coming out like that. Look at this baddie. Period. She literally a period. She literally. Let's go, Lisa.
Coming for you in the fast lane, got me on bad up, full gas tank.
Full
Put
gas
the pedal
tank.
to the float when I hit the dough. Give me everything you got, like the bank is out. Yeah, pull up in a Lambo.
Oh my God, they're together.
Like Ooh. And I lose my grip with a handle, and I choose you over the
bando.
You keep my engine on fire, you could never guess well how you move around the coast, make me ooh. You got that thing that I want, know your love hit the spot, and you never should stop, baby.
Shoot. Wait, can I repeat that, Lisa? Lisa slayed that shit. Oh my god. I can't wait to show people. You know when you're excited, it's like, I can't wait to show this to someone.
Coming for you in the fast lane, got me all fired up, full gas tank. Put the pedal to the float when I hit the dough. Give me everything you got, like
the bank is out.
Yeah,
when Taeyang comes in, ooh, that outfit's dope.
Ooh. My grip with a handle, and I choose you over
the bando.
You keep my engine
God, look at the
You got that thing that I want, know you love hit the spot and you never should stop, baby.
baby Shoong. God damn, Taeyang. Woo woo. Shoong. Oh, this is from the teaser. Ooh. Ah, you already know this is gonna be on repeat. It's like Taeyang and Lisa know me. Ooh, that little move. Y'all, I definitely got to do this. Oh, look at all the dancers from YG. Iconic dancers, by the way. Yeah, get your shit. Get in your feels. Get in your feels, Taeyang. He said, I would die for you. That's some most dramatic shit. Wait, who's this? Wait, who more beautiful than you? Who's wait, who are you talking about? Oh, no one more beautiful. Wait, wow, I can't read. More beautiful than anything else. What? You? What? In your place I would die? What? Oh wait, hold up. What are we talking about? Oh, when I'm with you, it feels like heaven. Okay. Okay, my bad. He said I would die for you. He said you're the most beautiful. Ooh. Ooh, you, bro, I already know all my dancing friends are gonna be covering this shit. Same outfits, the outfits are fire. Obviously it's like racing inspired, like dirt bike inspired. Ooh, the camera trick. Bro, he still got it. Bro, he's still the king. I don't care what anybody says. Yes, and on the classic Taeyang. T.Y. Repeat. We're gonna replay this shit. You already know. You in like the basement of a hotel room? What is happening? What is this? where you at? You good? Woo, the bass hits. Wait, hold on. We need to play that. I'm sorry. I'm dumb. No, I'm not gonna say sorry. You know what? Thank you for your patience. I learned it on TikTok today not to say sorry and say thank you for your patience. The bass gonna hit. Yeah. And I'm gonna vibrate. Ooh. Zoom. Damn, that's crazy. Ooh. Hey, yo, shout out to the dancers, by the way. They killing it. Damn, y'all look good, Taeyang. Hey, that little glide with the shoe. This sounds on Where Are You At? Street-ish. Where is this? Behind what building? The way that Lisa comes into. Like the bank is out. In the Lambo. Like Kendall. Ooh. Yo, she got some. I feel like she got some. Like this Lisa, but it kind of remind me of Kalani kind of ish too. Wait, Lisa. Like Kendall. The handle. With the bundle. Ooh. It's work. Hey, yo. Exactly what I love it. Song of the year. Performance of the year. Dance of the year. I better see y'all get the cover. All my friends, all my my dancing friends?
네가 좋아하던 나의 drum like shoong.
Ooh. Randomly, I just want to say a big shout out to Lee Jung Lee. Amazing dancer, by the way. Shout out to you. And the twins. What's poppin'?
너에게로 달려가는 중.
Ooh, they killing it. I need a green screen myself. Green screen time? Green screen time, chat? I said chat like it's on Twitch. Follow me on Twitch, by the way. Anyways. Bro, I got so much to do today, but I don't care. Taeyang is first priority right now. Yeah. I don't even know what I'm doing. Hella, Damn. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy that like Taeyang, Shoong just carrying the whole industry like that. That's weird. But you know what? Somebody gotta do it. Hey, put a comment down below. I need to edit this before I delay this reaction to YouTube and just everyone. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Go stream it. There's a lot of content I gotta do with this. I feel like it. I feel like I gotta do a lot of content with this. We're gonna be checking out Seed soon, so hopefully that'll be up while I'm editing. While this is up. Yeah, be sure to leave a like, share this video, subscribe if you haven't, and follow my Instagram at JustRandom Lisa killed it, Taeyang killed it, the choreo, the dancers. Let's go. I'm happy. I don't know about y'all. Put the comments down below what you guys think. Again, keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. Ooh, and I'll see you guys in the next video, live stream. Follow the Discord, by the way. Let's talk more about Taeyang in the Discord. Follow the Discord. And yeah, till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.